Herbs versus medicine. We know there's a lot of different pros to this, and basically you can individualize a treatment by making a formula for the person. If you want to add a heart tonic in there, you can add a heart tonic in there. If you want to add something that's going to go to the lungs, you can add that in there. If you're worried that, especially with heart formulas, that there's calcium buildup, you might put something in that's going to help pull some of the calcium out. You can also use different forms. You experienced a tincture, you experienced granulars, you experienced what you could do if you were, well, you haven't gotten the edible one yet, but essentially you could do it from in different ways. If someone has digestive issues, you wouldn't want to give them an herb or a medication that's going to be really hard on their stomach.
Right.
There's herbs that definitely do that. There's an herb that looks like a hockey puck that's great, but it's going to sit on the stomach and make someone's stomach just turn. So you wouldn't want to do that. Or you might want to give it in another form or with another herb that can kind of help out with the digestive parts so that it can kind of slip by. They're easier to process. Basically, once they get into the system, if it's in a liquid form, it's going to get in there a lot quicker. It doesn't have to sit and break down the capsule. And most of the time, they're pretty much cost effective. Chinese herbs, that's why they do a lot of bulk herbs, because you can do a lot. You can have big formulas, and it doesn't cost you a whole lot. And you can change up those formulas really quickly. So there's a lot of benefits to herbs versus medications. However, there's also some disadvantages, and this goes for herbs across the